In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to freeze frame in DaVinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by finding the actual place where you want to freeze frame and clicking on B, or this icon up here, and just cutting it. Then you're going to use your right arrow key on your keyboard to go one frame forward and cut once again. Next, you're going to click on the clip. You can zoom in and out to make sure that you are selecting that correct clip. And right click and click on change click speed and freeze frame. Make sure you click on change. And then if you want to drag out the actual clip that is freeze framed, you can select the clip that is beside it, move it over just a little bit, and then hover over this clip right here until this icon shows up, and just drag it out to the edge of the clip. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.